Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today. Today's date is April the 7th. If you remember from my previous video, in the morning during the New York session, I did the top two trades right here, the pound yen and the euro yen, these top two right here. And that produced 44 pips. And now I did two more trades during the Asian session here now. It's took the trades about 8 p.m. New York time, 8:04. I bought the Euro Aussie and the Pound Aussie. Now that was based on Aussie weakness. It was less than 10 in real time, less than 10%. So let's see where I got in. The time right now is 9:01. And I took the trades at 8:04, so about an hour ago. I managed the trade, and then I was in the trade for about 40, looks like around 44 minutes. So let's see on this Euro Aussie. Let's just drag and drop it up and see where I got in. I got in right here at this cursor. Both of them were around 8 p.m. New York time with a default 20 pip stop right here. It worked like a charm. I got in, as I said, there's my approximately 20 pip stop, and I closed out right here with looks like 35 pips. And as I said, those 35 pips, which I was happy with on the Euro Aussie, produced $2,149. And let's run a check on this Pound Aussie here. Same time I bought it, as it was going up. And by the way, I took these trades using a great way to trade. Very high success rate. I can't remember the last time I had a losing trade. Trading a great way to trade. Exactly the same time I took the trade here with a roughly 20 pip stop, and I closed it out here with looks like 46 pips. Now those 46 pips on the Pound Aussie produced $2,731. And as you can see, all together for my one-day totals, I did 4 trades. This morning was 44 pips. And so today I ended up with 125 pips. For money-wise, it was $8,977. And the last 2 trades I did for 81 pips, paid $4,881. I was just doing the math quickly in my head. 8, and there's a little bit of change too. So that's 4,881. As I say every day, I love trading with the magic trigger. I can either sit on the 5 or the 15 minutes. I know exactly which way to go, especially trading a great way to trade. It's very, very clear. Once I know which way I'm going, I just get in the trade and try to grab 20, 30 or more pips. Whatever the market will give me. And as you can see, I'm very glad I got out, because look at the pullback from the top up here down to there is 61 pips, and from the top up to there down to here is 50 pips. So the market has a lot of volatility, and it's like every day there's some very strong news, and I love trading because once I know if I want to be buying or selling, I just get in the trade, take the trade, grab those pips, and finish for that session. So if your trading system is not producing like my system, I suggest you get your hands on one of my trigger systems. At this point in time, I'm suggesting the best one that I have is the magic trigger, which is a combination of the pip trigger, which is great when the market is trending, and the golden trigger when the market is in a range bound. In other words, we're going to buy low and sell high. So let's see now if your system is not producing. just get in contact with me. All you got to do is look right below this video and you'll see this right up. It's a magic trigger system I do charge $250 for. As I said, it's the best of the golden and the pip trigger merged together. Has about 3.5 gigabytes of train. And you will get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter, this one right here you're looking at. Comes with a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents, which will surely give you a lot of valuable education to help you succeed at trading the markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and that's why I give a lot of training videos, 36 to be exact, along with 9 bonus videos. Lately I've been trading a great way to trade, as it is the most easiest way to trade with a very high success rate, as long as you follow the rules that I teach within the training videos. Now I give a lot of trading tips in each and every video. I teach how to backtest a magic trigger, which I still do even as of today. Like every weekend I do up to 8 hours using the built-in strategy tester within the MT4 platform. It helps me to see with clarity if I should be buying or selling the market. I really suggest that you put in a few hours each week using the tester. I teach exactly how to set it up. I teach how to scalp the market, how to scan the market, how to trade all 3 sessions, including the London close. Now I do teach pullbacks, and as you can see right here, this is a pullback. Now if it broke through here and kept dropping, going down, then I would call that a reversal. I teach how to trade the channel, as I mentioned, buy low and sell high, and I teach how to trade around the goal line, and it is something that works fantastic. Always a lot of action around the goal line, so you got to know, is it going to bounce or will it break through and become a reversal? And the bottom indicators tell you with clarity whether you should be buying or selling. So let's see now. I teach how to trade the news and how to trade with a day job. I would first try to master a great way to trade, and then the news is the most difficult way. How to trade with a day job is also fairly difficult, unless you get up early in the morning during the London time session before you go to work, as a trading friend of mine does. He gets up a couple hours before and he grabs some pips and then he goes to work. So you can either do it before you go to work, or you go like when you come home and you can trade the Asian session. Now that mostly applies to people in North America. Traders out over in Europe and whatnot, you would just get up in the morning and trade the London, and combination London, New York, and that is the best. So now if you have any questions about anything at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me, or send me an email if you live too far. There's an underscore here, don't forget that. I do prefer Skype, and I made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link, and then we have Skype contact, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session and I'll answer your questions. And like I said, it's free, no obligation, and if nothing else, you will get some free tips, which should help your trading. So over the past year I built 14 systems, and prior to that 10 years or whatever, I built a grand total of 26. And if you want to see screenshots of them, all you got to do is click on this link here. And of course, when I did my very best 2 trigger systems, I did a review on it, and after I merged them 2 together, the golden and the pip trigger, then I did the magic trigger. I did a review. All you got to do is click on these links and you can watch the videos. So I believe that just about wraps up this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, hope that might be tomorrow morning, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and please keep safe during these trying times. Okay, take care and bye for now.